Do Wiccans bless their food? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchschool.com, and if you want to deepen your Wiccan practice or you just want to know what Wicca is all about, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I wanted to talk about blessings in general, but in particular, blessing food. Every religion out there generally has some kind of blessing to acknowledge the food, to be grateful for the food that they're having before dinner, say. And in Wicca, it doesn't have to be any different. And there's different ways that you can go about doing blessings. You can bless the people, the plants, the animals, and everybody or anything else that has gone into bringing that food to your table. So for example, the people involved in bringing that food to your table, you've got people who are planting the seeds, you've got people who are doing the harvesting, you've got people who've done the cooking, including yourself if you're cooking, and everybody involved in the food. You've also got, of course, all the plants that you're eating with your food. And if you eat meat, you're also working with the animal energies as well. So it's about appreciating the lives that have gone into your food, or the lives that have been lost for us to eat. And like all animals, there's always lives to be lost with eating, because plants are living beings as well. So it's acknowledging that all the things that have gone into us being able to sustain our life through eating. So it's appreciating life, and it's appreciating the sacrifices that have occurred also in order for the food to come to your table. Blessings can also imbue the food with a very positive quality. And if you're using, particularly if you're using herbs a lot in your food, you can work with the energies of those herbs to be able to bring certain characteristics out in your food. So when you're doing the blessing, you can also mention the energy of the food and enliven the energy of the herbs to be able to help that food do more of what it is that you're wanting it to do. Blessings are a way of magically connecting to your food, a way to acknowledge that you've actually lucky enough and fortunate enough to have food in front of you that you can eat, because there are many people around the world who don't have food in front of them when they need to have food in front of them. So it's a way of acknowledging the fact that, hey, I have got food here in front of me, and I'm part of a culture where that is possible. So it's all of these things to think about. And the more that we appreciate what we already have, and this extends beyond food, this is also where we live, the people in our lives, the things that we do, to appreciate everything that's really great in our lives. Because the more we appreciate and are grateful for what we already have, magically speaking, the more will come of that will come to you. So that isn't just something that the law of attraction people talk about, it's also a magical truth as well. Gratitude's a really important thing to practice in magic, as it is with the law of attraction crowd as well. It just helps amplify and multiply the magic that you've already unconsciously used or consciously used to bring those things to you that you want. Blessings come through all cultures. I mean, there's so many Irish blessings out there. They're almost spells in and of themselves. So blessing somebody or blessing something is almost a spell in itself, and can be a spell in and of itself, and can be imbued with magical energy in and of itself as well. So these are ways that you can incorporate magic into many, many aspects of your lives and live the magic on a day-to-day level. So try the blessings if you don't already do it, and see how you go. Let me know in the comments field whether you do any kind of blessing. You can ask a god or a goddess to bless your food as well, or you can bless the food in the name of a deity, a particular deity that you might like to work with, or you can just thank the people, plants and animals that have brought you this food. There's many different ways that you can do it. Making it a magical time is awesome. So let me know what you do, or if you don't do anything, what you think you might like to do in the comments field below. I have many videos on Wicca and witchcraft with these sort of little tips and hints of things that you can use to incorporate into your practice. So do have a look on the YouTube channel if you're new to the channel. I also have Facebook Lives that I do over on the Mystery Witch School Facebook page once a week, where I'll pick a YouTube topic and I will talk a little bit more about it. And people can also ask me questions because it's a live. If you can't get on the live, you can always watch the replay. So the details to that are in the description field below this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Blessed be.